bring in newer technologies, especially in the film and television technologies. As you must be aware, film and television is a very powerful media which reaches everybody, the richest people as well as the poorest of the poor. It is the easiest way of communicating ideas, thoughts, lessons, education, and so on. And indeed, it is a privilege that Nagarjuna Garu has identified JNTUH to be their partner in running this course. I am very glad and delighted to be present on this occasion when we will be signing the Memorandum of Understanding. Before we sign the Memorandum of Understanding, I would like to tell you a few things about why we have chosen to collaborate and enter into an MOU with this prestigious institution. As you must be aware, what might be the future purpose of professional education? What are our graduates supposed to do? They are supposed to do one of the following things. The first and foremost is they have to be creative and innovative. What is meant by innovation is choosing the correct technology, correct processes, state of the art, in order to be forefront in the global market. Then they should have entrepreneurial, outlook, because this will generate money not only for themselves but also for the society. Then they should do research. Research in the sense some people are not inclined to become entrepreneurs. They do not have business sense, but they know they have the knowledge, and that has to be exploited. And that is the reason why research also should be pursued by the graduates. And then work as professionals in wealth creating industries. As you know, film industry, it touches every aspect of our social life. And through the media, through the film, very powerful media, we can educate, we can bring about social changes. Then work as non-professionals also, because, through the media again, civil societies play a very important role if something wrong is happening. If some disaster is there, if the government is not coming up, if the regulatory bodies are not coming up, it is the civil society through the media. It tries to bring things properly. Not only the government, to educational institutions also, if lessons are not being done properly, if the attendance is not proper, if the result is not proper, through the media, we come to know, and then we react immediately to set right things. And then cinematography, then sound engineering, then comes directing, then comes producing films, then comes editing, and finally using films as a media for conveying the government decisions, government policies, advertisements, and so on. And the uniqueness of film industry and this technology is that somebody should have hands-on experience, unlike other courses. For example, somebody can be very perfect in history and geography by learning a lot of books, but if you want somebody to be very good in camera, operation, he has to really have hands-on experience. So that's the reason why I hope your school will provide as much as possible hands-on experience to the candidates. And then, if possible, you should allocate mentors, to a group of 2 or 3 students, so that the mentor, he will, whatever he has assimilated through, 20, 30 years, he transfers during the period of, whatever he stay, maybe 1 or 2 years, whatever it is. And then this sort of courses have a great impact factor on the society. If you were to produce few Satyajit Ray or great actors like Akkineni Nageshwar Rao Garu and so on, then it affects a lot. Unlike thousands of computer science engineers, although we are producing, but they are doing routine jobs. But the impact factor of this sort of courses is very huge, and in fact it affects in so many ways. And of course we are also trying to give something on production, producing, role of the producer from studio to independent filmmaking to television, creating a production book including script breakdowns, budgets and schedules, producing the short film, and finally editing. Editing again plays an extremely important role. How long the length of the compassion scene should be, and so on. Learn basic principles and rules of both technical and creative film editing. Learn Final Cut Pro and basic editing. Learn how to edit for emotion. See, the editing for emotion is different from editing for pace. Then timing, smoothness and continuity, and edit a short film with no dialogue, music and effects. So these are some of the things what we have found out on the internet, and which has got great marketing potential throughout the world. India is in such a position, because very cheap, very low cost, skilled manpower is available with very good IQ levels, and I hope Annapurna Studios will make good use of this, event, this subsequent, interaction with you people, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.